Welcome back, everybody. I just realized I was muted. That was a horrible intro. Anyways, we are so back. Actually, this is history. This is history right now. This live stream is the beginning of everything. This is the beginning of ratatouification of cargo. That sounds fun. Maybe I should just use that as the live stream title. Anyways, we're gonna see how this goes. I set a goal. I have a couple of months to do this. Hopefully something good will come out of it. I mean, most likely. But we're gonna see how difficult it is to actually contribute to the official Rust project and get something cool going and just make the ecosystem better, packaging better, everything better. Let's see how this goes, guys. So yeah, this is the beginning, first episode. If you're watching this, you are so lucky. Hopefully I'll see you in the next episodes as well. Hopefully I will keep these things consistent. Be honest, I'll try my best. I mean, I don't have any travels planned for the next months. I'm so happy about that. Finally settling down and just working on stuff consistently. Hopefully, we're gonna see, guys. Anyways, I'm just yapping. How's it going, people? If you're new to this channel, my name is Orhun. I am just a rat living in the sewer. I like cheese. That's me. Who are you? Just say hi in the chat or keep lurking, whatever. It's all just just chill, guys. Just being chilling. So, but I mean, if you have questions or if you want to say something, just go for it. I don't mind getting distracted or sidetracked or whatever. It's all cool. I am your fan. Frequency 35 hertz. I'm actually your fan because you have a cool frequency number, so thanks, man. Appreciate that. Hopefully you're also a rat or a crab or some, I don't know. Thank you. So guys, this live stream, I think since this is the beginning of everything, I'm gonna give you a little, like, a quick plan of what I'm planning to do here. Plan of what I'm planning to do, of course. It's great English. So, first of all, why are we doing this? Why not? This is pretty cool. I wish I was able to use cargo interactively. Just have a dashboard of build logs and explorer and a whole bunch of stuff. And secondly, yeah, let me just dive into it, guys. I have a little document here. I haven't created a repo yet. I use ChatGPT to just give me a quick plan or whatever. We're just gonna go through this, and I'm gonna just give you my reasoning and give you some we're gonna just take a look at stuff. We need to do a lot of reading this live stream. So this live stream is just going to be research and investigation and exploration of the code bases and cargo and bacon and so on. So yeah, I'm Nick, first time watcher, used Thursday for the first time last week to build Tetris in the terminal. Looking forward to use it again. That's great, man. Nice first Ratatouille project, I guess. Tetris is great. Nice to meet you, Nick. Welcome to this live stream. I don't know what we're doing, but we're gonna figure this out. All right, we're gonna figure this out. So let me just start by creating a new repo. Let me just create a new repo for documentation purposes. So cargo-tui. No, there's a copilot thing here. Um, ratatouilleifying the Rust's package manager cargo. Okay, that should be enough. So I'm gonna just push all the documents and all this stuff that I'm sketching into this repo. Yeah, all the things that I'm building, they're just gonna be in here basically. And let's just initialize this. We don't have anything to push yet, so I'm just gonna write some stuff here. Hi, I discovered you like 1 week ago. I'm your fan now because of you. I started learning Rust and ratatouille. That's awesome, man. That's great to hear, Erenay. Nice to meet you, man. And it's great that you're learning Rust now and doing some rad stuff. Neat. Quick question, how is Rust job market? I see lots of people don't learn Rust just because it has no job. I probably, if you give me like a couple of months, I will answer this better, because I will probably start looking for something if whatever, yeah, if things doesn't go right. But for now, I mean, there are some projects out there. I guess it depends on your experience a bit. If you're a beginner, I think it's a bit difficult. So yeah, like a mid level. So guys, I'm gonna actually just draw some stuff. 1 second. Excali draw. Alright, so what is this? Alright. So what is cargo-tui, right? What do I have in mind? Let me just try to draw that real quick. Edges. So let's see. Let's say this is the terminal, right? This is the terminal. So cargo-tui. Wow, this color is what is this color? Is this because of my dark reader? Probably. No. It's like purple, or I'm just colorblind for some reason. It's supposed to be white, no? Oh my god, what the hell is going on? Anyways, I'm just gonna use this color. So cargo-tui. Running in, I don't know. I'm just like, yeah, I'm just thinking of what I want to show here. So I want to show the workspace. I don't know, ratatouille. What else we can show here? Target, maybe. That's a long-term investment. That's true, actually. I don't understand how was Rust developed with Rust. So before everything existed. So okay, let me just break it down for you. There's a programming language called Holy C, which is designed by a guy named Terry Davis, and he was instructed by the God himself to write this programming language. It's called Holy C, and then he used, like, everybody used that holy language to design other languages. So that's how things work usually. I mean, 100% of the time, this is how it works. Thank me later. So target, maybe profile or something. Debug. Yeah, Donald Trump, you're right. 640 by 480. That's the resolution that we use for stuff in Holy See. That's true. So whatever, like some stuff, etc. I want to use more like a terminal font. Yeah, something like this maybe. Hack. You mean the hack font? We don't have that font. Holy See really exists. Yeah, I mean, that's how it works, man. I'm telling you. We just use Holy See to develop anything from scratch. So everything depends on Holy See. Okay, so we have this thing. So first of all, I don't know if you guys know bacon, but this is a interactive command runner for cargo, and this is pretty good. I think I'm gonna get inspired from this a little bit. So we check. So let's see. I'm just gonna steal these this bottom thing. Actually, I'm just gonna copy and paste it. Yeah, something like this maybe. And then inside of this thing, I want to have another block. Maybe logs. So I have some ideas here. I wrote these down. A log explorer, environment explorer, dependency manager, and I think this bacon like view for running commands. This could be also a part of the log explorer environment. So yeah, just gonna copy these stuff. Can I have a text here, please? These text colors are just horrible, man. Yeah, there you go. It's better now. Just make everything white. I'll just copy and paste this. So this, let's say this is the I don't know, landing, or like when you run this thing, you'll see something like this, and on another menu, I want you to manage your dependencies. So I don't know, stuff like this basically. But like more like, you know, tuified. This is not tuified at all. Can I make this white, please? What the hell? Okay, whatever. And you'll be able to interactively select features and so on. Rust is 14th place, not bad. Where is it 14th place? What do you mean? Is there a competition that I'm missing? Tyob index, okay, got you. And the third thing that I want to have is an environment explorer thing. Do we have a cargo-tui command or something like that? Env, nope. Okay, Rust C. Environment. List cargo environment variables. Yeah, the YouTube does not allow sending links. It's probably blocked you. I mean, what I want to see here is something like, you know, in Arch you have Rust cargo. Where are the Rust flags, bro? Rust cargo flags. Oh no, what's going on? Okay, there you go. You know, I want to be able to manage Rust flags, Rust C flags. So basically some menu for that. How can I make this? How can I share this thing? Share. Live collaboration. Do you guys want to collaborate on this? Okay, let's actually collaborate on this. I just wanna wait. Let me just make a copy. We can try. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Cargo-tui. I'm just gonna save this thing for now. Some of you just probably gonna troll me, so I just wanna like save this current state. Alright, live collaboration start session. Warm-hearted crab. How does it know that we're doing Rust stuff? I don't know. Anyways. Alright guys, there you go. Help me help me draw this cargo-tui thing. Let's go. Let's go. Please do not troll me. Alright, I'm gonna actually move on with other stuff, and I'm gonna check this page in a second. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what you guys are doing, but if you have any, like, you know, I don't know, good ideas, please dump it here. Maybe we can use them later. Alright, so there are a couple of use cases for interactive mode. I think one of them is mentioned here. Cargo docs serve. So this is, yeah, there you go. If the cargo doc process is staying alive to serve files, it seems a natural extension to rebuild the documentation on changes. That can then lead to considerations for live reloading or broader ideas of watch functionally as an interactive mode. Example. Interesting. Let's see what the example is doing. Cargo. Add cargo watch. Right. Cargo fix interactive. I imagine cargo commands having an interactive flag that launches a full TUI that runs the underlying cargo command and then reruns it on changes with a built-in pager that organizes the output and attempts to keep the viewport stable from run to run. Maybe the user could have the cargo explain shown for a given diagonal. Oh, that would be really nice. So basically like bacon, but for each error it will run the cargo explain and then show like more detailed like explanation basically. Or diagnostics could have a more detailed view that can collapse or expanded on request. Maybe the diagnostics themselves could be folded unfolded between the full view and the short view. The user could select diagnostics and request for the suggested fix to be applied. Maybe there would be an apply all option for the category of fix or even all fixes. For cargo doc, interactive mode could even start a web server. It would like to be easiest to prototype something like this outside of cargo. Like cargo fix it. Wait, let's have a look at these crates. And then I will evaluate bringing it to cargo. So this is what we're gonna do in this endeavor basically. I will try to add interactive modes to some cargo commands and just try to bring them in. So cargo fix interactive. I'm gonna actually watch these. I already watched these issues. So let me note these down, man. Add cargo watch. Which desktop environment is best for you? So far I've used KDE, GNOME and Hyperland. GNOME is the best for me. I'm not using a desktop environment. This is i3. Actually, let me just add links like that. Alright, so add cargo watch, cargo fix interactive. The user might not be interested in all fixes. If you allowed prompting the user for what devs to apply, they could then select only the ones they want. Apply all. Nice. Thanks for the donation, Ferris. Appreciate it. Appreciate €1.49. That's gonna go to a good cause. Don't worry. I'm gonna buy the best cheese in town with that. Thank you. And thanks for moderating the live stream. I'm reading, in reading it made me think yes, all and null specific lint names would be useful. Cargo fixes architecture is odd. It registers itself as rustc, looping over calls to it until we have reached a fixed point. I'm not sure how well this would work in interactive mode. Okay, that's kind of a bummer. Very cool. Correctly, all output today is done by sending JSON messages back up to regular cargo run, which then gets report. Google summer of code experiment in different architecture, one that would put the control of applying and fixing the top level cargo invocation. Okay. I moderate so hard right now, absolutely, man, absolutely. Oh, by the way, today's drink is Beypazarı, man. If you know, you know. So this is cargo fix. Tell user why some fixes aren't applied. Hell yeah, bro. Turkish brand. Yeah, this is like mineral water, but Turkish. But not mineral water. It's mineral water, man. It's fancy water. It's the most like traditional mineral water that you can find in Turkey. So I'm gonna actually take notes from these as well. So I'm gonna list it here. Cargo fix, interactive. I'm gonna watch all of these issues. So this seems like a good starting point. Cargo fix interactive. What is this? Interactive. Fix. No. Okay, never mind. Proposed fixed commands for cargo. Okay, wait a minute. What is this doing? Prototype for alternative cargo fix. Cargo fix checks packages serially even if there's nothing to fix. It's very slow. Per clip it's over 2 minutes. Okay, so this is like a better cargo fix command. How does it work? Guys, I'm aware that I'm derailing from stuff a bit, but I just need to learn these internals and also how what's going on in the project, you know. So I'm like a sponge. I'm just like consuming everything that I see, basically. So I am guessing this is depending on cargo. Where are the dependencies? Okay, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Clap cargo. Where's cargo? There's no cargo dependency. Cargo util. Are these like official stuff? Yeah. Yeah, okay. It's official. It would be great if there were Clippy and FMT fix buttons. No, it's... I think it makes sense. So right now we just like looking at cargo fix interactive option, but I think it would be nice to have it for everything. So okay, this is like a cargo utility thing. This is like the first time that I'm seeing these dependencies, man. That's why I'm just like curious. Pull in every source file in a directory is a module. Okay, interesting. Okay, it's for tests. Cargo test support. Let's check. But there's a whole contributor guide for cargo, yeah, of course. Some tests. Working on cargo. Yeah, I'm gonna read that either way, so I think this is, I can just leave it for later. CLI. This basically uses cargo. Okay, this is how a cargo subcommand looks like, I guess, or like the CLI arguments for that. In main, what is going on? Some tracing, logging stuff. I don't know what these are, to be honest. I don't know what Chrome flush guard is supposed to mean. So just execute a fixit command, and that is doing just some stuff. This code is very clean, by the way. Coding without cursor or cloud, are you mental? Jokes aside, great work. Dude, I have... Come on, I have Codex, man. I have Codex and Copilot. What else I can have? Like, come on, I'm already geared up. But I'm just like reading code right now, so... But thanks. Okay, so how does it fix stuff actually? Check. I'm gonna sleep, you're loud, man. Thanks, man. Good night. Don't worry, I got this. I got this. I'm gonna ratatouille things tonight. Probably not, but just reading stuff for now. I need to symbols view actually. Fix errors. Code fix. Oh, this is from... Where is it from? Rust fix. What? Is this a crate? Damn, there's a crate called Rust fix. Is this also from rustlang? Cargo, yeah. Damn, I didn't know about that. That sounds pretty convenient. Okay, it seems quite easy. Straightforward. Okay, I think I learned quite a lot of things here. Proposed plumbing commands for cargo. What is this? Project goal. Create a third-party cargo subcommand that has plumbing programmatic subcommands for different phases of cargo operations to experiment with what cargo should integrate. Okay. Let me actually... how do I close this sidebar? I cannot. There you go. Cargo is a porcelain focused command and is highly opinionated, which can work well for common cases. However, as cargo scales into larger applications, users need the ability to adapt cargo to their specific processes and needs. The status quo. Okay, so read manifest, locate project, metadata, package ID. A build in cargo can roughly be split into locate project, read the manifests for a workspace, read log file, log dependencies, write log file, resolve features, plan a build including reading manifests for translated dependencies, execute a build. That's very useful stuff actually. I need to save this. One sec, let me save this link. I'm gonna actually subscribe to this issue. Cargo plumbing commands. Have you seen project goal comp time? No, what is that? Okay. The shiny feature we are working towards. Collect user feedback on these commands and iterate on them for eventual inclusion into cargo. Alright. Compile time only functions. Oh, is this the Zig thing? Like the comp time? There was something like that in Zig, right? No, I haven't seen it. Is this real? Like, are they actually doing that? Discussion and moral support. Of course, that's pretty important. Okay. Wow, man, so many things to read here. Anyways, I think I saved this as well. No. I'm gonna save this. Cargo fix may be incorrect. Should be listed in the sidebar. Yeah, I'll check. Okay. Cargo watch. So there's another use case for an interactive mode. The idea is to provide one place for users to go to get more detailed information on an area code or lint name. Yeah, you can do cargo explain to get more info, but what is this about? Let's see. Stylize the markdown output. There's the question of how information for third-party lints could be found once this thing is stabilized. What is this? Register tool. This is literally the first time that I'm hearing all of these things. But okay. This could be well served by having a built-in pager. Built-in pager, let's see that. I think this is related to lint thing, so I'm gonna skip it. Frequently I run cargo-tui or another command and everything zooms by and I have to then rerun with less. Yeah. What if cargo-tui used the pager if there was more output than the screen size like Git does? Yeah, makes sense. My latest inclination for this is for us to offer a full interactive mode that would effectively be the pager. Last week. Guys, we are on time. We're on time, I think. Support pager. Yeah, I was just reading this. So cargo explain, no, cargo-tui pager, I think. Okay. Watch mode. What is this issue? Add cargo watch. I think we already looked into this, yeah. Let me just refresh my memory. Guys, so many things to read and catch up to. It's crazy. But this is the point of the live stream. You just see my raw reaction to everything and I'm just sharing what I'm doing. I'm not, as you can see, I'm not super smart. But I'm just looking at stuff and reading. This is, yeah, I'm gonna just remove all of these live streams after this. I'm gonna just, this live stream is gonna be removed. Alright, let's see what happened here. Nothing. Oh, we have some stuff. Nice, guys. I don't know who did this, but it's great. Thank you for drawing. Thank you for drawing. Search in docs. Yeah. Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Yeah, that is good. Save logs. Nice. The documentation stuff is a good idea. Z-Ratatouille front end. Sounds very cursed to me. Yeah, so cargo watch. Alright, so supporting a completion watch mode when in style of bacon. Combined with this idea of cargo explain, maybe it could be an interactive mode. Cargo check I. That allow you to select a diagnostic and have it pop up an explain view. In response, someone brought up that the compiler knows more than it's currently shown, and maybe this could be included in the JSON output so that the user could drill further into a diagnostic in interactive mode. Like with many other subcommands, this would likely be best experimented with as a custom subcommand before integrating it into cargo. So let's see the custom subcommands. Okay. Let me actually start this. I mean, this is just very basic info. What are these? So pager. This is for cargo-tui. There's another issue, cargo-tui HTML output. Regarding the underlying need, another option would be a tui. There you go, guys. Ratatouille cargo-tui is gonna fix this problem. The cargo team talked about this today. Generally, we would prefer to see something like this developed as an external tool first to explore things like design, implementation, and demand for such a thing. There are already several external tools for visualizing dependency graph. Better to have a 2 versus HTML. I was speaking for myself. This does not sound like interact. Yeah. So again, a cargo tree, interactive cargo tree. Cargo tree HTML versus TUI. This was also a cargo tree, right? Like cargo tree related, yeah. Alright. So, okay. Should we maybe just go ahead and read the contribution docs now? Build analysis. So there's another document that I found. Maybe we can also take a look at this. Or maybe not. Prototype cargo build analysis. This is useful for a log, like cargo build log explorer type thing, I think. But this is still ongoing. Cargo build analysis. Interesting. I think as a starting point, I will first focus on cargo tree though. So I'm gonna dump these links here. But I think it makes sense to just do the cargo tree thing. Oh, this is the other thing. Cargo dock to get a serve flag. Yeah. I wonder how bacon works. Maybe before that, let's have a quick look at the contributor guide for cargo. Okay, so issue tracker. They have 1.5k issues. Jesus. So much. Okay, this is quite useful actually. Let's see. Area. Category. Experience. Priority. Status and unstable. Okay. Cargo team, let's see. Okay, let's see the process of contributing. Mentorship. Some cargo team members are available to directly mentor contributions to cargo office hours. Maybe I can just hop in, man. Just show up at the office hours. Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, maybe I can just show up on Wednesday. 2 p.m. UTC. Alright, I'll keep that in mind. Working on cargo. Okay, this is very important. Before hacking a self-invite. Yeah. Release process. This is not relevant. Design principles. Architecture. Cargo's architecture. Alright, let's see. Is there a good graph of how this thing looks? No. It's just like API docs. Well, this is a good and clean API, so shouldn't be super difficult to figure things out. Related crates, cargo platform, cargo util, crates.io, rust fix. Yeah, this is the one that I saw. I mean, seems quite straightforward. New subcommands, data schemas, console output. If we add a tui to one of the subcommands, I think it would require some updates in the documentation as well. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Logging tests. I mean, I have some way to go before I can actually write tests for this, but alright, good to know. Documentation. Alright, so I'm gonna save this link. Contributing to cargo. So we spent roughly an hour, 50 minutes to get some context about what to work on. So I think that was quite productive. I still want to read the source for bacon though, so maybe I'll just do that real quick. Test driven development, start with the tests. No, what am I gonna test? We can just build this TUI probably and just write tests for like snapshot tests and then what? And then what? Oh man, this codebase is intimidating. Why does it have sockets and servers? What is going on here? You know what? I'm just gonna use Codex for this. So summarize this code base for me. Generate an image. Can it do that? I never tried it. Of the architecture or something. I don't know if it can actually do that. Probably it can. So let's get some info, guys. TUI. I think it's using cross term. Or no? What is it using for the TUI? Nothing? Just ANSI escape codes? What is it doing? MD. I am so disappointed in this module, man. It's like 8 lines. 9 actually. Or 8? 8. Or 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lines, man. What is this? I was expecting something huge with ANSI escape codes and stuff, but these modules are super small for some reason. How do you draw the TUI? How do you do it? Bacon. Oh my god. Wait, one sec. So Termimad. So that is a custom terminal table thing. No, it's just a markdown thing. Okay. So it uses cross term, I think. Okay. It's still reading stuff. Interesting. I'm super confused. What is this doing? I was expecting to see something something more straightforward. But we got our summary, guys. Oh my god. Let's check the summary. Is it saved in doc and architecture? Architecture PNG. Let's check. Okay, Bacon high-level architecture. Inputs configuration CLI. Default and stuff. Project files, runtime. Builder. Mission executor. Runtime loop. Watcher and ignorers. Analyzer and report. TUI headless UI. Sound player. Search and focus. So, okay, how does analysis work here? Analysis. Oh, it supports other languages too. Okay, that makes sense. Let's see the cargo stuff. Cargo metadata. So it just like runs cargo something. How does it work? Cargo check. Oh. So it just runs the yeah, I think it just runs the command. Okay, so it just runs cargo check something just to get the JSON output, and then kind of like shows it in the UI. But man, these modules are they feel like very Java style to me, because you know in Java you have interfaces, like just a single file for defining an interface, and this is just like that. I get flashbacks to dark times, man. I don't know, it feels like these are super small modules. Maybe it's a good thing, I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, this is like the whole thing basically. So you kind of like, you get some config, it runs some jobs, and what is the mission thing? I'm confused. Mission RS. I feel like this could be implemented in a simpler way. Abstract singleton factory visitor pattern. Yeah, exactly, man. That's what I'm talking about. I pinned your message. So yeah, I mean, I get it. It's like abstraction, but I'm only thinking in the cargo, like the cargo way. Like you could probably implement it in a simpler way. All right, so that's how Bacon works. So what are we gonna do? Let me just check out my delicately put together AI generated plan. Alright, understand the cargo ecosystem. I think we did that. Skim the architecture docs and did that. Cargo tree, cargo build. Alright. Third party cargo subcommand. So cargo tree, we have seen from at least 2 issues that cargo tree needs an interactive mode. So maybe we could just start there, you know. Okay, rewriting cargo, I had to be there. I had to be here to see this. Welcome, man. No, I haven't tried GAI yet. I think that's another AI agent, right? Client, or yeah, something like that. What's up, Transistor Egg? Man, it's been forever. Like, where have you been? And where I have been? What's up, man? Minimal. So cargo tree, let's see an example of how this looks. So cargo tree looks like this. So guys, here's the problem definition. Let me just go to main, actually. Set to widgets. Alright. It's a program like, oh, sorry, my bad. I think I got confused because there are like a lot of AI stuff recently. No, I haven't tried it. Apparently, like, obviously I haven't. Just idling in life, glad to catch up with a stream. Yeah, good to see you here again, man. So guys, here's the problem. All right, Listen here and listen very carefully, alright? So cargo-tui, when I run this, yo, huge. It's huge, look at this. You know? So let's just have an interactive mode for this. And here's some ideas. Being able to collapse and expand sections. Clear indication of how to quit. Bonus. Changing target on the fly. Yeah, I think that would be nice. I'm honestly shocked I still have mod rides. Dude. Don't ever forget the day one homies, man. Don't forget the OGs, you know. I never forget the OGs. You're here on day one. You're still here, man. Cargo-tui less, exactly. But the thing is, in that case, you don't like get these, like you don't have like interactive, like expandable search and other stuff. But I mean, of course, that makes sense. Changing target on the fly. Toggle for invert. Oh, that would be actually really nice. Shortcuts for common collapses, including collapsing non-workspace nodes, private edge dependencies, stuff like that. Open questions. How to handle duplicates. Show only dependencies which come in multiple versions. I never did that actually. Wait, what does it do again? Oh yeah. Well, we can worry about that later. Watch mode, unlikely there is a lot of changes happening, but why not if you're persistent. Limited feature and dependency editing. So the idea is create a cargo plugin. Yeah, rapid prototyping. Cargo's many complex areas, so begin with something concrete and achievable. Cargo-tui. Command runner UI. I think that's more difficult than cargo-tui. Basic registry layout, key bindings visible in a help panel. Single screen focused on chosen feature. Alright guys, we're building cargo-tui. Sorry, cargo-tui. Okay. I'm gonna call this cargo-tui. We're building that now. It's happening right now, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do something like I like the wait, is there a template repository for cargo plugins? Or what is it called again? Cargo subcommands. Okay, cargo subcommand templates. Building a custom subcommand example implementation. It's been open since 2020. I don't think there's a template. Kind of sad. Cargo example. Well, there was a comment about clap here. Okay, this guy created something. I mean, this is just like a CLI. Clap as an example for writing subcommands. No, this is not what I want. Just make sure the binary is called cargo subcommand. You don't need a template. But I'm gonna call cargo commands cargo-tui, and I need some kind of like access to internals or like the API. Maybe I was hoping that maybe somebody just built something like that, but I don't think so, because you know there are like multiple ways of doing that. Probably you could probably just add cargo as a dependency, or cargo util, or you know, cargo wizard. Is this using rustlang? No. Disappointed. Alright, so what should I do here? Maybe I can extract some kind of a skeleton from this fixit subcommand, because it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Seems like it has everything, most of the things that I don't actually need, maybe. Okay, so I'm gonna try something here. What do you do for work? I get paid to find cheese pieces in sewers. What happened to my internet? Why am I dropping frames now? Just like shitty internet all of a sudden. Oh my god, I'm dropping a lot of frames. What is going on? Guys, 1 second. It's because of the joke. Oh no. Stop DDoSing my ISP or my router, guys. Please stop DDoSing me. Okay, I'm gonna fix it, 1 sec. It's gonna get better. We're gonna survive this. God damn. I literally don't know what's going on. Like it's so it is just so weird. Why am I dropping frames all of a sudden? Sometimes it gets better though. I don't know if you guys can hear me now. Everyone is leaving the live stream. Audio is going well, video is lagging. I mean, I don't know what's going on. Maybe we'll just do audio only now. This is a podcast now, guys. Welcome to Radcast. Yeah, we are experiencing next slide, please. Guys, one sec. Let me just try something real quick. I'll be back. I have no idea, guys. I literally don't know what's going on. But this is now a podcast, so I'm literally dropping half of the frames. I have no idea. I'm trying my mobile internet and I'm just like experiencing the same issue there as well. I tried restarting everything. I literally just restarted everything. But no luck. Maybe I can just reboot. Guys, let me just reboot. I don't know, maybe that will fix it. No idea. We can try reboot. Oh my god, it actually fixed it. No. I'm still dropping frames. Okay, I did the reboot. Like what can I do next? Literally just reboot it and still have shitty internet. Jesus, man. It's getting kinda better sometimes. I think it's good now. Okay, I should be good. I should have good internet now. Guys, oh my god. Is anyone watching still? Jesus Christ, what the hell just happened? Sorry, I'm back. It took forever to fix it. I don't know what happened. But if you're still watching, please say something so that I know that I'm not alone and I know that I didn't lose everybody. Probably I just lost everybody. We have much matching internet bro goals. Bro, only the OGs left. Only the OGs are still watching. Alright, we lost 20 people. Okay. The grind continues. Nothing can stop me, you know? Nothing can stop me here. So, I was just about to I'm not gonna make shitty jokes anymore. Maybe that's why my internet was fucked. Anyways, I was gonna just create a skeleton project from this. The grind is eternal, absolutely. Where's my cargo-tui repo? I want to create a cargo-tui interact cargo. What would be a better name for this actually? Cargo tree tui cargo-tui. Orhun stream on Firefox, well hydrated in my lane, best mood. Absolutely, man. Let's go. Let's fucking go. You know, they try to stop my grind by just DDoSing my network, but they forgot the grind continues until we are in the grave, you know. Cargo-tui, let's go with that maybe. What do you think? Transistor, cargo-tui, cargo. Yeah, let's just cargo-tui. Remove the unnecessary stuff from this code base and prepare me a template skeleton for that. Super minimal. I will use that as a base. Let's see. I'm curious what it will come up with. What was the biggest problem of computer science again? Alright, naming things. Yeah, man. But deleting things is easy, so I trust Codex with that. And then null in the second place. I think in second place I would put abstract singleton factory visitor pattern, but you do you, man. Would you like to run the following command? Wait, what? I don't want to remove this source. Fuck. What? No, I'm not gonna remove. No. Maybe I should have removed. Okay, I just ran them anyways. Okay, cool. We're just watching AI destroy everything. Takes forever to create a cargo-tui file. What the hell? For anyone watching right now, like anyone new, we are trying to create a cargo plugin. Maybe I should just start from scratch, to be honest. Maybe that would be easier. Codex cooking some kind of dependency, hell yeah. I don't know what's going on. Like I think I'm gonna just throw it away, by the way. It's doing some stuff. I don't know. Jesus. Let's see. What the hell? Actually, it's not bad. Maybe it will actually do it. But I forgot to tell that it should use Ratatouille. Maybe it will try to do everything with cross term or something. I should have just started from scratch, man. God damn it. But so cargo-tui is the next thing that we're gonna do probably. It looks like that. It will have these features. I'll probably do that in the next live stream, by the way. I'm already cooked from this one. I should create a thread in Zulip. Started using Zulip because yeah, all the Rust socials are there basically. By the way, I'm sorry to report I sinned again. Moved my website from Zola to Zine. Soon I'll have to update my bio to former station. What the hell? Transit strike. What the hell is going on? Let's check your website, man. What? Is this your website? Yeah, yeah. But what did you put these in your website, man? I mean, these are banned words. These are banned. Just remove them. I'll just remove them for you. 1 second. All right. Thank me later. What's up with Zoom? How is this going? Abandoned. It's still okay. It did some things. Oh my god, I'm so scared. What the hell did it do? I mean, where's the UI? Cross term. Okay, it's using Ratatouille. Cool. And seems alright. Wait. No way. No way. If this works, I'm gonna lose my mind. If this works, then we are doomed, guys. We are doomed. AI will take over. Oh my god. Oh no, it works. And it's also interactive. Jesus Christ, man. Fuck. Okay. Cargo-tui. Done. Next thing. Damn. Is it just running cargo metadata? Jesus. Two of my moderators are just arguing in the chat. We are so done and cooked. Yeah, I'm so depressed. I'm so depressed because of this. Jesus, man. I mean, cargo metadata is not part of cargo. What? That's a bit weird. Cargo, fix it. Is it using cargo metadata here as well? Dependencies, where are the dependencies, man? Maybe we can do the same with cargo util. Why is it using anyways? Metadata command. No, I don't want to like run cargo metadata actually. Wait. Manifest path. Let's try Ratatouille. Oh my god, it works. I mean, it's so simple. YouTube are gonna invent a self-ban button just for me. We should have just used we should have switched to Twitch. Then we could just write bots and shit like that probably. But you know, I hate that platform kinda. To answer, how do you feel that we still comp time from Z word? Z word. Cargo util. Wait. I want you to only use cargo util. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Use cargo util official lib from cargo instead, or any other official libs from cargo instead of cargo metadata. Let's see. Very cool if true. Yeah, I think that's true. One sec. Rust comp time. Where is it? Send a link. Send a link, please. Share is already up. Send a link, please. I should probably push some of these stuff to the repo. I mean, we have some links. I already did quite a bit of reading today. So next step, just let the cargo people know that I'm working on this and get some tips for getting started with the implementation. And tomorrow I can probably do this properly instead of just the wipe coding, man. I don't want to wipe code this thing. Alright, we got the link. Let's see. Add very basic comp time function implementation. Okay, did some stuff, guys. I mean, this seems very real. Can we see an example code for this? Let's see an example code. Just an example code, please. How does it look like? It's just a keyword? Is it just a keyword? God damn it, where? This PR number is crazy, by the way. It's like 140,000. Okay, it's just very slow for some reason. At the bottom are tests. Okay, let's see. Okay, what happened? Nothing. It's still running. Okay, it's still running. We'll just wait. To be fair, each year in the State of Rust survey, I say I'm fine with the pace of Rust new feature development. Project goal issue. Let's see the project goal. Reflection and comp time. Yeah, it's very real, guys. It's very real. Alright. Some things are happening. Comp time is really cool, but it might easily drown in the sea of other ongoing proposals. Likely. Sounds likely. It's doing some stuff still. I don't know what it is cooking. But as for the Kelly draw, can I find that link still? Okay, it's here. So about this thing, after we have the cargo tree, could probably with that knowledge I can just continue developing other stuff and just have like a cool POC and then go up to cargo people and say, hey, should we upstream some of these features and so on. And I think that would be a cool development cycle. And that's basically what I have in mind for this. But yeah. Never use Zig, so what's comp time used for calculating some values, function executions at compile time instead of runtime? Instead of macros, you can generally write pretty complex things that go full compile time. No man, what is going on now? Fuck. It's doing some stuff. Hope it makes it to a release then. Rust versus Zig meme. Let me just prepare my memes for that. You know, it's very important. There's not very nice memes about us, like they are not funny. Rust is the best language, meanwhile Rust. The only Rust Zig meme is two chads shaking hands. Hell yeah. Okay, so it did some stuff. Is it broken? No. It seems like it's working. LSP restart. My LSP is broken though. So cargo metadata. Just runs cargo metadata, man. Yeah. I'm gonna ask about these details to the cargo people in Zulip. So yeah, I found a meme that I still have to post it. Guys, I think I'm done for this live stream. I mean, it was fun. Did quite a lot of progress, I would say. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to actually code the interactive tree command. Great job, Codex. Great job. Thank you. Thank you, Codex. Great job. Next live stream, I'm gonna have an text-to-speech AI agent, and I'm not gonna be here, but there will be an LLM trained on my previous live streams, and he will do the live stream. So yeah, also it will be connected to Codex directly, so it's gonna be all yeah. Alright guys. LLM trained on 20-hour footage of rats in a cage. Yeah, that would be some overpowered thing that's illegal. Sounds illegal. But thank you for joining. This was the first episode of cargo-tui. We're gonna keep grinding this until the grind is over, which is never over. So I guess see you tomorrow, everybody. Same hour. I'll just schedule it. Subscribe, hit the bell, like the video, donate, sponsor, connect me on LinkedIn, send me a friend request on Transformize. I don't know, do those things. Alright, thank you for tuning in. Take care. Where's my rat? This is the new outro. Guys. Transformize brought me back to childhood. Absolutely. Add me there. My nickname is Fly Shadow. Rat Chef says goodbye to everybody. See you in the next one, everyone. Ciao. And I'm terribly sorry for the internet issues. It usually does not happen. It's probably because I made a horrible joke and somebody decided to find out my IP address from the Excalidro website somehow. They probably have access to whatever, and then just figured out my IP and then started hammering my router, and my router was like, okay, I'm done. But then I connected to another network which didn't work. I don't know what happened there. Forgot to share your Club Penguin username. Good question. My Club Penguin username, one sec. My Club Penguin username. It was this. It was Orhun, but without N at the end. Literally, this was my username. This was my username. Can we actually... Is there a database available? Club Penguin user database. I want to find my... find my profile. Probably I can't, right? Wait, maybe I can. Nope. Anyways, add me on Club Penguin. Transformize. and so on. So yeah, anyways, love you. I'll check your meme first. Goodbye.